Welcome to the Design Doctors, your cure for ailing designs.
Hey guys, today we're going to be talking about building safer and healthier homes for our clients. We're going to be talking about mold in the remodeling process, particularly mold in homes. Mold is a rapid growing microscopic fungus that feeds on organic materials, and mold is an important part of our ecosystem. Many molds are harmless, but some can produce toxins that can seriously affect the inhabitants of homes and affect their pets. Living with mold can cause serious health issues such as respiratory problems, rashes, headaches, eye and throat irritations, and much more. For mold to grow, mold needs three things. It needs food, which is paper and plywood and cabinets and ceiling tiles and carpet. It also needs temperature, usually between the temperature range between 60 and 100 degrees, and it also needs moisture. Today we're going to be talking about getting rid of some of the food sources for mold, and in our example we're going to be talking about remodeling a basement. With a basement remodel, everybody wants to build a couple extra rooms down there, allow the kids to go down there and play. And typically when we build a basement, we're building it with wooden studs. And instead of having an organic stud down there, we're going to be talking about replacing that with metal studs. Metal studs are economical to use and they're easy to install and no food source for the mold. Also, we're going to be talking about the different types of insulation. You know, we have paper-faced insulation, paper, organic material, and non-paper insulation that has a plastic vapor barrier on it. And we're going to show a quick little demonstration of how the paper absorbs moisture. If I take a little bit of water and spray it on the paper insulation and on the plastic vapor barrier, you can see how quickly the paper absorbs the moisture. And with the right temperatures, we have all three things that mold needs to grow: food, temperature, and the moisture. With the insulation that has the plastic vapor barrier, we're not going to have that issue. Same thing with our drywall. Drywall is going to have the same principles. Instead of using a regular paper-faced drywall downstairs in the basement, we're going to be talking about using a fiberglass-based drywall material that has no paper in it. And again, if we do a quick little demonstration with some water, you'll see how quickly the paper drywall absorbs that moisture and will retain it and allow mold to grow in it. It's very important to remove any products in the house that has absorbed moisture that's going to allow the mold to grow. If the moisture stays there for more than 48 hours, we have a very good chance of mold growing on those surfaces. And last but not least, we'll talk about the trim that goes in the basement. Again, instead of using a wooden baseboard trim in the basement that mold can grow on, we can talk about using a plastic or an AZAC type of product that will not allow mold to grow on it. So those are a couple different things that we can do to eliminate the mold in the basement. Next, we're going to be talking about how to eliminate the moisture coming into the basement in the first place. So let's take a break.